In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert templates into emails in Microsoft Outlook. If you write a lot of similar messages, email templates can save you a ton of time and keep your replies consistent. Think of them as ready-made blocks of text, like greetings, updates, or answers to common questions, that you can drop into a message with just a click. Here's how to use them right inside Outlook while you're composing an email. Start by opening Outlook and clicking New Mail. This opens a fresh message window where you can write your email. You'll see the message toolbar and a space for the recipient, subject, and body. In the message window, look at the bottom toolbar and click the app's icon. It typically looks like a small grid of squares and opens the Outlook add-ins panel. This is where you access tools that work within your email. From that panel, select My Templates. When you click it, a side pane will appear on the right side of your message. This pane lists all the templates you've already saved, each with a name that helps you quickly recognize what it contains. You don't need to leave your draft or switch windows. Everything happens right here. Next, click your Save Template. The content is immediately inserted into your email. It appears right where your cursor sits in the message body, so if you want it at the top or beneath something you've already typed, just place the cursor there first. If you click the same template more than once,